In this video, I'll be looking at fixing your sales funnels using GoHighLevel. If you're struggling with your online conversions, you're in the right place. We all know the sales funnel is the backbone of any online business. But what happens when it's not working as it should? You get leaks, lost opportunities, and wasted resources. But don't worry, we've got a solution. Enter GoHighLevel, a one-stop platform designed to seal those leaks and optimize your sales process. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and best of all, it's very efficient. So how does GoHighLevel fix your funnel? Let's break it down. The beauty of GoHighLevel is that it's an all-in-one place. No need to juggle multiple platforms. Ready to get started? Here are some quick tips to make your GoHighLevel experience even better. First, start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to use every feature at once. Begin with one, like CRM integration, and expand as you get more comfortable. Second, analyze and adapt. GoHighLevel offers robust analytics. Use this data to see what's working and what needs tweaking. Third, seek out support. GoHighLevel has an excellent community and customer service. Don't hesitate to ask questions or seek guidance. There you have it, folks. With GoHighLevel, you're not just fixing leaks. You're building a more robust, efficient, and effective sales funnel. If you're serious about scaling your online business, I highly recommend checking out my online growth playbook. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this free resource, especially if you're a digital creator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. You can also check out our other videos for more tips and strategies. Until next time, keep optimizing.